Hello, welcome to this presentation of the use of Unity for creating a digital twin powered by Virtual Universe Pro. We are going to use the Hdrp mode of Unity to generate a great quality rendering. So let's go. Firstly, we launch Unity and we are going to create a project from the 3D Hdrp example template. This one. I select a name. Okay, this can take a lot of time, so be patient. You can also go to drink a coffee if required. Okay, so after Unity has initialized the new project, we are going to import the Virtual Universe Pro plugin. You will find the link for this plugin in the video information on YouTube. So when you have downloaded the file, you can simply import it here. Okay, so now we're going to set up two things in the Unity project player settings. The first thing is to allow unsafe code, because the VUP plugin use unsafe code. Okay, the second one is to set the default quality. So here we are going to select the top quality. Okay, now we are going to add the VUP prefab object in the scene. Now let's launch Virtual Universe Pro and open an example. You can also find the download link of this example in the video informations on YouTube. Okay, now we are going to generate from Virtual Universe Pro an export for Unity. Simply click on Generate Unity. Okay, let's go back to Unity. We are going to select in Game Object, import from VUP. So all the imported objects are child of this object, VUP object. I'm going to move those objects. I adjust the floor level to match the floor level of the existing Unity project. I'm going to hide the floor by disabling the mesh rendering for the floor, because there is already a nice floor in the existing Unity sample. And I can move also, sorry, this is not this object. I have to select the parent, okay, and then move to a free space. As you can see, the imported objects are rendered with a pink color. The reason is that the imported object don't have the right material. It means not an Hdrp compatible material, so I'm going to associate new materials, new Hdrp materials to the imported object. Okay, so all the objects are here. I can select all objects with a name beginning with M80, and I'm going to select a predefined material. So material are here, sorry. Okay, I can select this material, but you can also import your own Hdrp material if required. Okay, so the simulation is two robot arms and also some boxes, so I can select different material for the boxes. It will be more nice. So I'm going to select the boxes. In fact, this is a tree of the Virtual Universe Pro, project, exactly the same tree. And my boxes are here. So I'm going to select only material for the boxes. Okay. Okay, so white material, why not? Okay, so we are going now to generate a runnable eggs file from Unity. So I save the project, and then I'm going to run the eggs file generator. Let's create a new directory. Okay, this can also take a very long time, especially for the first time you build the eggs. So you can go back to drink one or two more espresso if required. Okay, I have one more thing to do after generating the eggs file is to copy two DLL files from the VUP asset directory to the eggs file. These two files are required for running the VUP plugin inside the eggs file. So I'm just opening a file explorer and then select the two DLL file, copy, then I'm opening the eggs file and simply paste the two DLL files. Okay, so now you can quit Unity. From Virtual Universe Pro you can launch the simulation, and then from the eggs directory we have just created we can launch the eggs file. Okay, so here is the result. Nice rendering with ray tracing of the digital twin powered by Virtual Universe Pro. Okay, so thanks to have a look at this video, and do not hesitate to contact us. We will explain you more if required with great pleasure. Bye bye.